If you're somebody that's looking to take their production value of your stream to the next level, this might be the video for you guys. I'm going to show you guys how to upgrade from a webcam to a camera that gives you a much crispier look. We are currently using the Sony A5100 camera. I'll show you guys everything that needs to be added to it, how to hook it up, and how to get it working for a stream. It's a little different than using it as a camera, but it works exceptional, guys. If this video is helpful to you, be sure to subscribe down below and then ring that bell for future videos.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if...
One of the first things you all will need for setting up a camera as a webcam is a capture card. Basically, it's going to take the image from the camera and put it into whatever streaming software you use, such as OBS. I personally got the Elgato 4K 60 Pro. It's an amazing capture card, guys. A little expensive, it was around $270, but you guys can pick up something like the Elgato Cam Link, which is a lot cheaper if you can find it in the market. It was currently sold out when I was looking. Next, I will be showing you guys how to set this up. Basically, open up that PC, find a slot and slide it on in. The only issue I ran into here is when I put it on that bottom slot, it actually did not function properly. I had to move it onto the slot right above it. It was a really quick and easy fix, but I had a hard time finding it on the internet. It looks like this capture card works with that PCI slot. If you use the Cam Link, it works with a 3.0 USB, and I do not believe it has the functionality for a 2.0 USB. I wouldn't exactly quote me on that because I am not a computer whiz, but I would definitely just switch up the USB port, see if it works, because like I said, this was an easy fix that it took me a minute to figure out here. The next item you will need is a micro HDMI to a regular HDMI cable. Basically, I was just getting a longer one for functionality. I got a shorter one by accident, but this will allow you to plug from the camera into the capture card to stream the video. I also chose to get a ring light tripod mount as a way to have the camera at face height and connected easily. Here we have the dummy battery, which is a really important part of the setup. The dummy battery plugs into the camera and then connects into a charging port. This is really important so the camera does not overheat. Most cameras like this were not designed for constant use through filming for videoing like this, so they overheat within 30 to 45 minutes. The dummy battery will help with that overheating. I haven't run into an issue with it yet, and I've been streaming for about 7 to 8 hours at a time. So again, guys, take the extra investment, get a good dummy battery, get a good cable for it, and spice up that setup. Here is the Sony A5100 mirrorless camera, guys. We got Gina making a guest appearance in the background if you look real close. I set it up on a tripod ring light because lighting is just as important as the camera work, guys. To get this to work on your stream, all you got to do is click the button on the right, go to film, click it again, go to movie aperture, and that's all you really need to do. In addition to that, you want to go into the menu, go to the setup, go to HDMI settings, and then turn off the HDMI info display. This is basically meaning when you start streaming, it won't have a square box around your head or anything like that will pop up in the image. So it'll make it much cleaner for you guys. Other than that, we can notice the micro HDMI output on that side along with the USB. On the other side, underneath, you can find where the dummy battery will be inserted into the camera. There is a little hole that the cord can go out of on the camera, so you can shut it all the way. On the bottom is where you will screw it into the tripod mount as well. Those are the basics for setting up the Sony A5100 webcam with an Elgato capture card, guys. I'll show you guys a few clips real quick of the difference between a Razer Kaio webcam and the Sony. In the first one, you'll notice that there's a lot of color. It's a lot dimmer, and as I zoom in, there's a lot more pixelation involved. The Razer Kaio is a great webcam and does an excellent job, but you notice a big difference once we switch over to here and I enlarge the picture in a minute. You can already tell there's a lot better colors. It's a lot crispier image and just a lot more production value for the stream. Took me a while to put this video together due to having to switch back from the new webcam we're using here to my phone, but I hope you guys find it helpful. I think the camera has been an excellent upgrade, not just for the Twitch content, the streaming content, but also for overall social media. If you guys are fans of Instagram, vlogging, anything like that, it is an excellent camera, guys. The mic actually works pretty well on it, although it will pick up a lot of background noise. If you guys get the Sony A5100, you can get it new for about $600, or you can hopefully find it used for like $300 or $350. I believe I got mine on the Mercari app, which is where they sell some used objects, and it came in great condition. Try to make sure you get a lens with it, because the lenses can get really expensive too. Whenever you guys actually get it installed properly, please make sure you have proper lighting. A big thing about camera work is having good lighting. If you don't have that good lighting on the camera, it won't give you that good effect. So I hope you guys found this helpful. If you guys have any questions, please drop them in the comments down below. I'll drop the links for everything item wise that I got here. And thank you so much for checking out the channel, guys. Hope you guys have a great day. I look forward to seeing you in future videos.